What's up, guys? Welcome back. It's been a long time since me give you guys a vlog. As you can see, me turn on the light. As you can see, then in the kitchen my roast breadfruit and the madonna just come from school. My roast breadfruit and I cook up some saltfish, guys. So it's a cooking vlog, of course. So yeah, it's been a long day. Feel a little tired, a little stressed out, but nevertheless, food are for run, right? No, should I say? So as you can see, I got my day. I don't just go to the living room, like, cause you know it's evening. So continue cook with me.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And
so guys, the breadfruit look like it butter, like, you know, when it chop on a butter. So when I peel it, I see some white and just a break up. So look, none of them can see the spot of white them, like it did get some butter or something, you know. And see it there. So the breadfruit, oh, I don't know. So you know what I forgot to know? I forgot fried two dumpling for make up with this, cause that not gonna do. But they long like myself. So the fried two dumpling with it. I make that. Alright. That's what I have to do.
through the highways, and on we'll go. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. See the horizon, turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them. To see the horizon, turn us to thousands, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and
So guys, dinner finished now. So I have two fried dumpling, two piece of breadfruit on a fry, and three piece of fried breadfruit. That's my dinner. Alright, of course with my cook up saltfish and gravy. Going to enjoy this now. So I hope you guys have a good day, night, anytime.